Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you number and styles in MS Excel. First we will learn what is number. We use number to tell that what is inside of this cell. For example, if I say here 101, okay, so this is a number as you know, but sometimes Excel does not recognize Excel does not recognize what is inside this cell. So in order to tell that Excel that this is a number or this is a currency or this is accounting, this is a short date, so what do we use? We use this. In order to show what we will do, we will click on this and it will give us a drop down. The first is called journal. Definitely journal means numbers, alphabet, everything. Getting me? Then we have numbers, definitely number. If we want to tell this is the currency, definitely we can also say the currency. And as I say the currency, as you can see that now we also have the symbol, dollar symbol. And then if you want to say this is accounting, this is short date. If I say short date, you can see that now we have short date. If I say that this is the long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, tech, getting me? So these all are used to show that what is inside of this cell, getting me? Then we have the increased decimal and decreased decimal. For example, if I click on increased decimal, so you will see that now we have two decimals, getting me? So in the if I click on this, so I can get the decimal, and if I click on this, so I will decrease the decimal. For example, if I click on it, so you can see that now we have just one decimal, getting me? Then what do we have? We have a counting number format. If I click on it, so it will give us you can say a dollar symbol. But in the place of this, if you want to give your own currency symbol, so what you need to do, you need to click on this, and definitely here we have, for example, if euro, Chinese, and if you are in Pakistan, if you are in Bangladesh, if you are in India, so definitely you need to click on more accounting formats, and you need to click on this you can say symbol, and definitely in this symbol you will able to find your country symbol, getting me? And then what do we have? We have condition formatting. Condition formatting, I like it very much, and definitely I will teach you now. What I do, I first take right here one, and no, this is not, definitely as you can see this is recognized, this is the currency, but this isn't a currency. So what I do, I will say this is a number, and I will also decrease the decimal as well. And now what I do, I will hold down control and then say the uh, click and drag. You can see that now we have number, and here I will type unpaid and paid, and I will select this all, and I say the control D for duplicate. As you can see that now we have paid. What I do, first I will select this all. Okay, first I will select this all, and then I will click on condition formatting, and here what do we have first is called highlight cell rules. So first what do we have? We have a greater than. For example, if the number is greater than, if I say here if the number is greater than 5, so you can see that is highlighting all the numbers, those are highlighting greater than 5. So here I can also specify the color as well. I can choose the color. For example, if I say yellow color, so you can see now we have yellow color. If I go again, and if I say that in the place of greater than, if I say less than, so here it will highlight the less than all values, getting me? Now you can see that it highlighted less than 10, so definitely these are less than 10. And if I go again, if I say between, so between, definitely if I say between 5 to 14, or if I say between 2 to 6, so you can see that it has been highlighted, getting me? And I can also specify color as well. And then what do we have is called definitely equals to. If I say equals to, so then one value will be highlighted. If I say here just 1, so you can see that just 1 is highlighted, because when I say equals to, so it means just 1, getting me? Then what do we have? We have date occurring. For example, if I have a date, for example, today is, if I type here today, so definitely showing the today date. And if I select and if I go and if I say the date occurring, so definitely if I say today, so you can see that it has been highlighted, because today is 12/7/2016, getting me? I can also change the color. And if I want to see the yesterday date, if I want to highlight the yesterday date, tomorrow, in last 7 days or last week, so definitely I can do here as well. Then what do we have? Select this all, And then we have is called duplicate value. For example, if you want to highlight duplicate values, you can see 2 is here and 2 is also here, so definitely is highlighting duplicate values, and I can also specify the color as well. Then what do we have? We have if I select this all, and if I go in top and bottom rows, so definitely I can also highlight top 10 items. So you can see that it has highlighted top 10 items. If I want to highlight top 10%, so I can also highlight top 10% as well. So definitely if I go there, so you can see that it has highlighted top 10%, getting me? And then what do we have? We have the, you can say, bottom 10 items, so it will highlight the bottom 10 items. It has highlighted the bottom 10 items. And then what do we have? Bottom 10%, so the bottom 10% is you can say 1, because this is the bottom 10%. And the last, what do we have, is called above average. So if you want to say that above average, if you want to see the above average, so you can see above average, this is called above average. And then what do we have? And if I go again, so what do we have last? What do we have? Below average, so it will highlight the below average as well, getting me? And then we have you can say icons. For example, if I say here, if I select this, so you can see that it just have 1 point, 6 has just 2 points. But if I go the last, so 19 has all point. Why? Because the 19 is the, you can say, the higher value, getting me? So definitely it's filling the, you can say, signal according to the value, getting me? And if I take another one, if I go and if I take this one, so definitely I can also say that this is 1 is there, and definitely it is increasing according to number, getting me? Full, because this is 19, getting me? And then what do we have? For example, if we want to take the table, so we can also take the table. How can we take the table? First we have to select this all, and then we have to click on this, and here we have to select the color of the table. If I say this color and say okay, and then okay and okay again, so as you can see that now we have a table, getting me? And then last, what do we have? We have the cell style. For example, as you can see that, as you know that we did a style in conditional formatting, getting me? But if you want to give style, if you want to give style manually, if you want to give style, so what we do, we first select this cell, and here we can give the style, or you can say here we can change the color, heading, everything we can do here. So this was lecture on number styles. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplace.com. Allah fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next. Till then, Allah Hafiz.